Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start here, position your character, and commit to a focus attack. Begin holding the focus button because timing is locked to hit-stun frames. This gives you the cancel window. While holding, input your dash or desired special motion lightly. Buffer at 1/2 to 1 frame before the critical cancel frame. Once done, keep pressure on the directional input so the engine recognizes the buffered command. This immediate buffering is why cancels feel consistent when you prepare the exact frame before the smash. Now you perform the cancel. Watch for the visual or audio cue that marks the cancel frame, then release the focus attack and convert the buffered motion into the smash or dash. You must be precise. Practice in short sequences, testing 3 to 5 frame shifts to see how the engine accepts the input. Make sure to hold directional input through release so the command registers. Once the engine executes the buffered action, refine timing until the cancel is consistent across hits and varying lag. Complete the sequence. After converting the buffer, commit to your follow-up smash or combo immediately. There's no extra delay. If it fails, troubleshoot methodically. Inspect controller dead zones and remap buttons, verify buffer length, and check for input lag. Then, return to training mode and frame step the moment of release to isolate the exact failing frame. Adjust your buffer earlier or later by 1 frame and repeat. You'll learn the why of each miss, and then your cancels become reliable in match pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.